Hello, my name is Regila, and I am Hobbycraft artisan and artist who specializes in resin. I love resin. It's such a versatile material. You can make anything from keychains to gorgeous paintings. Today I will show you how to make resin coasters using silicone molds. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. For personal protection, we'll be using a plastic table cover, apron, gloves, and mask with respirator. Top tip: if you have long hair, make sure to tuck it away or tie it up. For this coaster, we will need 90 milliliters of resin, and we will do 2 castings because we are working with pressed flowers today. Start by measuring 20 milliliters of bottle A, which is resin, and 10 milliliters of bottle B, which is hardener. Pour them into the cup and mix them together for 5 minutes. Leave it for a couple of minutes to settle. While we are waiting for the resin to settle, let's prepare the mold. Use a little bit of masking tape to lift up any dust from the silicone mold. Pour the resin mixture into the mold and use the heat gun to get rid of any little bubbles. Use tweezers to arrange the dried flowers in the mold. Use a mixing stick or tweezers to add gold flake. Leave it to dry for 24 hours. Now we will need to do a second layer. Start by measuring 40 milliliters of bottle A, which is resin, and 20 milliliters of bottle B, which is hardener. Pour them into the cup and mix them together for 5 minutes. Leave it for a couple of minutes to settle. Separate 20 milliliters of the mixture into a new separate cup. Add 6 drops of white pigment to that cup and gently stir it. Pour clear resin into one corner and white colored resin into another corner. After finishing the resin, use the heat gun to get rid of any bubbles. Leave it for 72 hours to dry. Remove it from the mold, and your coaster is now complete.